Hey, this is a comforting red lentil porridge with crispy plantain. All right, crispy red plantain. And this is an African and Asian fusion. Welcome back to Ebuzo Corner TV. And I wish you Merry Christmas in advance. You can see this is an edition, the Christmas edition. You can see snow falling over all our products, okay? I don't know whether snow is falling where you are or you are in the African continent. Wherever you are welcome, you are blessed. So today we are showcasing the lentil porridge with ripe crispy plantain. And this is purely vegan food. There's no meat there. It's purely lentil, red lentil, and then you have the ripe plantain prepared while you are preparing the red lentil. And the red lentil is simple to do. You just put on fire and then you add your ingredients the way you want it, depending on how you want to cook it. If you're cooking it in the African way, you can put palm oil. If you're cooking it in the Western way, you can put coconut milk or you can put vegetable oil, as it were. All right, so just enjoy it the way you cook it, but then what we are showcasing here does not have meat, and that means it's purely vegetarian version of it. There's nothing wrong if you add meat onto it, and then that means you're cooking it in the just the normal way. But this is purely vegan. I like to showcase a lot of vegan meals as much as I showcase the normal meal that everybody is used to. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, like and share, and please leave a comment onto us. This is a wonderful meal you can go and try. Red lentils are very nutritious and they are very, very healthy. And then you combine it, a little bit of carbohydrate you get there more is on ripe plantain. All right, and the recipes are attached there, and I attach how you can cook this meal, prepare it. So it's very easy. I don't have to talk too much. Everything is on this video. Just please try and watch to the end so that you won't miss anything. Everything is described for you. How to cook, all the recipes, how long it takes, between 25 to 30 minutes. Is wonderful. It's a short one. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch or dinner, depending how you want it. All right, but it does not take you more than 30 minutes to prepare this. It's a quick one. All right, and then that is how you have a very quick meal, and then you eat and go anywhere you want to go very quickly. All right, it's just very quickly, and you are eating a healthy meal. That's what matters. You're eating a very healthy meal. All right, look at the way it is there. It's well cooked. The porridge is wonderful. You see, look at, you can see it yourself. It's well cooked and it's so delicious, just yummy if it's just what you want to see about it. And it tastes really nice. Red lentils porridge. All right, so I call it comforting. All right, so this is just soothing. It's just something that is really, really, really good that you can try. Okay, this is Ebuzo's Corner TV. Please help us, and support us. Go into the channel. Take some things to do. There are some playlists there. You have the cooking playlist. You have the playlist for diabetic-friendly meals. You have things about exercise. Whichever you want. It's a family TV. You can get it and you can enjoy it. Go ahead and visit and be a subscriber there, and then choose whatever you want to watch. We have plenty of videos that will make your day. You can't be bored while on Ebuzo Corner TV. You can never be bored. We have everything, as a family. Okay, so we have knowledge base, we have exercise base, we have cooking base. So whichever one you wish to watch, go ahead and watch it. All right. So until I come your way, keep watching this. This remains Ebuzo Patrick for Ebuzo Corner TV. There is a lot to watch. The video on my left or the video on my right, choose whichever one you want to watch, or go into the main, visit the channel fully, and then just have yourself treated to a wide range of different, different topics on our channel, Ibuzokona TV. Okay, I want to continue to thank you for the continued support, the like and share, and because all these things, when you like and share and hit the notification button, it's gonna help us to produce more videos, and that's how we also earn a little change, a little money from all this. So invariably we need you to watch and subscribe. The subscription will not cost you anything. Most of my channel, and the people who watch more are the people who did not subscribe. So the non-subscribers, but then we want the subscribers to watch and enjoy the whole thing. Okay, thank you and God bless you.